I'm working on a crochet halter top with these pineapple appliques, so I thought it might be fun to do a quick tutorial for these little pineapples. You can attach them to so many fun things: bags, clothing, coasters, you name it. For this tutorial, you'll need a pair of scissors, a 2.5mm crochet hook, a sewing needle, and green and yellow crochet embroidery floss. I'll start with a yellow and begin with a slip knot. Chain 4, and place a single crochet in your second chain from hook. Do another single crochet in the next chain space. And then 5 single crochets in the last chain space. I've done my 5 single crochets, and in the next chain space, I'll do 1 single crochet. And in the last chain space, 1 single crochet. So you've just done 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 5 single crochets, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet. And now I'll chain 1 and turn my work. I'll start with a half double crochet, and then again another half double crochet in the next stitch over. In the next stitch, I'll do a double crochet. In the next stitch, I'll do 2 double crochets. All right, and then the next one, I will do 5 double crochets. I've just done my 5 double crochets in 1 stitch at the top. In the next one, I'll repeat what I did on the other side. So I'll do 2 double crochet in this one. One double crochet in the next one. 1 half double crochet in the next space, and the last one, another half double crochet. Okay, and that's it for the yellow part. Now we're going to switch to green. I'm going to snip off my yellow here, just leaving a nice long tail to weave in, and I'm going to grab my green, fold it over like this, holding that yellow pretty tight. I'm going to grab the green and pull it through, and then insert into the top and grab the strand of green that is attached, not the tail. Oops, there we go. Yarn over and pull through, so that's a single crochet. And I'm going to do 5 single crochets in the top of my yellow here. So there's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and then chain 1 and turn. Now we're going to do a slip stitch in the first stitch here, a slip stitch in the second one. Then I'm going to chain 3. And then slip stitch in the same stitch I just started in, creating a little bump. Slip stitch in the next stitch over, and repeat, chain 3, slip stitch back in the same base, slip stitch in the next stitch over, repeat, chain 3, back into the base, and then slip stitch in the last. We're going to repeat the last row, so in the first stitch I will do slip stitch, and then I'll insert my hook in the center of that chain 3 and do another slip stitch, chain 3, back into the chain 3 space, slip stitch into the next chain 3 space, chain 3, back into the base again, and then in the next chain 3 space. So there's a nice little hole there. Chain 3, and then back into the base, and then one last slip stitch in this last stitch over here. And ta-da, we've done it. I just need to trim off my ends and weave them in. I've got my sewing needle here, and I'll just show you quickly how I weaved in the ends for this one. So I just found a good spot here to insert my needle and go all the way through that row and pull through, trying to close up any big gaps that I have. There we go. And I'll repeat that with each loose strand and then snip off the excess. And there you have it. You have your perfect little pineapple. Follow along for more crochet tutorials and patterns.